Okay, so this is the real reason why most people are, afraid of speaking in front of camera. They feel that, I cannot speak in front of camera, so YouTube is not for me. YouTube is, I will speak in front of camera. What will happen? World is going to burn. So you feel that, pressure inside you. So what's the real reasons? Let's understand. The first one is you feel that a lot of people are watching your videos. Okay, you feel that 1,000 people are in the stadium and you are speaking in front of them. You are just public speaking. But the reality is nobody is watching your video, man. Nobody is watching. So why you are getting afraid? You have probably 0 or 5 subscribers. So this is the, in fact, best time to practice your communication. Even if it's, not great, even if it's broken, you do not know how to pronounce, English is not your native language, so you feel that pressure. A lot of people are watching my videos, 100,000 people, 1 lakh people are watching my videos. What will they say? What will they judge? What if they judge that, I don't know how to speak? These are the fears that you have in your mind. That's the reason you are not able to speak. That's the reason you are not able to naturally communicate to your audience. Okay, thing is that nobody is watching you right now. If you are just starting on YouTube, nobody is watching. You are just starting, man. You are just starting. Why you are getting worried about all these 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh people? They're not watching. Nobody is watching. You are just practicing yourself in front of the camera. So if you have that fear, there is a solution. Okay, speak like you are speaking to your best friend. There is another best friend in front of the camera and you are just talking to that one person. Okay, so if you just talk to one person, your best friend, how you would like to talk? Just talk like that. Do not talk to 1,000 people. Talk to one person, your best friend. How you talk naturally, how you convince your ideas, how you do those hasi mazak things, how you manage your emotions, how you feel that confidence, that happiness while expressing your thoughts to your best friend, those secrets, all these things. Okay, so how you communicate to your best friend, that you need to do. You are not talking to 1,000 people, you are just talking to one person behind that camera. Okay, so if you can just print your face of your head of your friend and just put it in the wall. Okay, and just in front of the camera, just put that friend's face. Okay, ask for your friend's face that I will speak in front of the camera. I just need a print out of your face. Okay, just face. So you'll just print out that and you will put it in front of the wall, in front of the camera, not in front of the camera, like back side of the camera, so that you can see your friend's face and you can talk. But always look in front of that tiny whole camera. Okay, so that you'll when somebody will watch your video, so that they can see the eye contact properly. Okay, so that is the first thing. Second thing is, like, you are not preparing. Okay, so before recording this video, I just prepared some thoughts in my mind and just wrote it down in a paper. So if you are making one video, just write down all your thoughts, what you are going to express, or write down all your thoughts, what are you going to express, what are the points. Okay, just not the full script, just the points, that what are you going to describe in your videos. Okay, so for example, in this video I just wrote down the points that, these two are the points, so I'm going to describe these 2 points in my way. Okay, so describe. And also, if you can write feel some words in descriptive sentences also, that will help you initially to speak in front of, because sometimes what happens is, like, when speaking in front of the camera, you just forget the words. Okay, so to remember those words properly, like that proper words, you just need to write them down. Okay, not script by script, just sentences that's coming from your heart. Okay, so write them down and prepare yourself fully. So once you just prepare them, you'll feel that confidence, what I need to say. Otherwise you'll feel lost. You need a structure for everything. Okay, so if you, even if it's a YouTube video, nobody's watching, your friend is watching, the head of the friend is watching, you just need to write the script so that you stay in the lane, stay in the structure. Okay, so that's the second point. And third point is like, you just record the button, press recording to record your video, and then what happens, you just mumble things, and then you just pause it or close it. Okay, then again you say, then you again close it, then again you say, then you again stop it. Okay, so what happens, you when you start and stop again and again after every sentence that you are not able to, because of you are not able to say properly the right words, the right sentences, you just stop it. But the thing is, when you do that, you lose your confidence. Okay, you lose your confidence that, yeah, it's not happening, I'm not able to do that, it's not happening, let's not do that. Okay, let's not do that. Then you just keep on with your life, you just do other things, and then you blame yourself that YouTube is not for me. Yeah, I am not for that, I'm not made for that, YouTube is not made for me. But in reality, everybody is not born things. You can develop your skills. So if you're not, you feel that you're not for YouTube, you can develop your skills. You can you can speak in front of the camera, but you need to be natural. It needs to be flow from your heart, not what you memorize things. It just need to flow from your heart, what you are saying, and you need to stay in that structure so that people can really feel that you understand that point, you have felt that pain before, and you are trying to give solution to something. Right now that I'm giving solution to how to speak. Okay, because I have faced those situations, because I have faced those problems, now I'm giving those solutions to you, because so that you can implement in your life. That's called how you create a video. It's not like reading one by word video, memorizing it, that something like that. It's not like that. You need to just express yourself confidently, naturally, right in front of your best friend. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed it, because like this video, I'll bring you lot more videos that will help you in the future. Thank you and stay happy.